English, Unit 3, Standard 10, an interview with Arun Krishnamurthy, Part 2, Conclusion. The next question was: did you feel any hesitation in quitting a well paying job and venturing into this full time? What were the options you weighed before you arrived at your decision? It is always good to decide in favor of what you really love to do. I quit my job at Google, but I still keep in touch with my friends there. So only my duties at Google have come to an end, not my emotional bond. I understood that I had to leave the job at that minute in 2010, or else I would never be daring enough to do so. I could not sit back and enjoy life when environmental damage was happening on such a large scale. I wanted to do something, and that something needed my full attention, so I left Google for EFI. What kind of garbage do people throw into water bodies? How do you deal with the removal of the garbage once you clean the water body? Everything from a diaper to worn out slippers, we find everything in our legs. This is so disturbing because it is water and water is the basis of life. How can we not care for these water bodies? We use this garbage for landfill with no or minimal exposure to the outside environment. We ensure that the lake area and water holding are free of garbage so that birds, frogs, and snakes can live in peace. How many days does it take to clear a large lake? Do you use any special equipment for cleaning and safety? Depending on the size of the lake and the amount of garbage, it can take anywhere between 5 days and 3 months to completely clean a lake. We have our tools like rakes and spades. What kind of protective gears do you use? Can you describe the cleaning process briefly? We wear nose mask, sanitary gloves, and carry rakes and spades with which we collect the garbage and dump it into collection buckets which are taken to the garbage truck. We also use heavy machinery like earth movers and pocklane to desilt the lake and clear the weeds and shrubs that are harmful. What, in your opinion, can children and young adults do for the environment? What could be a small beginning by all of us in terms of protecting the environment? Firstly, we should all stop throwing trash outside our homes. Next, we should reduce the amount of trash we generate. Straws, tissues, wrappers, batteries, fast food junk, all these end up in lakes and they come from our homes. If we can reduce the amount of garbage at home and if we can dispose all garbage safely, that itself is a great deal. Every student is welcome to volunteer with us in helping the environment. How much time do school going children need to devote in, say, a week for an environmental cause? 4 hours a weekend, that is 2 hours on Sunday and 2 hours on Saturday. This small beginning is more than enough to ensure larger participation later. And the last question was asked: how can students and schools join your fraternity? Do you have any programs to introduce your work to them? Yes, we offer fellowship to interested students. Our program looks at young animal lovers, young wildlife photographers, filmmakers, theatre artists, and scientific researchers. We give them training in these areas and get them actively involved in all our work. Our youngest volunteer is in class 3. Read the unit very carefully, underline the most important spellings. If you have any doubt, you can comment or direct WhatsApp me. थैंक यू.